29th of July is International Tiger Day. The first person in Britain known to have been killed by a tiger was a woman called Hannah Twinoy in 1703. It was in the market town of Malmesbury in Wiltshire. A travelling fair had a tiger, and people would pay to see exotic animals. The tiger was chained to a wooden stake in the ground, but Hannah Twinoy foolishly annoyed the tiger by poking it with a stick. She kept doing it, and eventually the tiger pulled the wooden stake out of the ground and it mauled her to death. The moral of the story is never annoy a tiger.